little before video, putting a SNOEx blade onto this big yellow lifted bulletproof diesel. It's a 6.0 F250. It's bulletproof. It's about to be. Got the bash guard off, got the bumper off. A lot of extra components to this customer's vehicle right here, but we're getting her down. Took everything off, about to put the drop shackles on, and then start putting everything else on and get this plow on. It's a big boy, bulletproof. Well, ran into a problem with the lift kit, plow, combo type thing. This is part of the lift kit. When it would hit, won't make it. Cut a section out. Now it fits. To reinforce it, I'm going to take the part I cut out, just weld it back in from the back for reinforcement. Cut that part out of the mounting bracket right here. Cut it out for the 6-inch spacer to get put back in for the lift kit. And the part I cut out, this piece right here that went up here, and weld it back in here as a gusset to maintain that structural stability from right there that I just took off and made it loose. Then paint it, and no one's gonna even know besides me and the owner of the big yellow truck. There it is. Just got done bolting it in, make sure it works. This part right there, that's for the plow. Well, I don't think they're expecting to have a lift kit on here. Doesn't show it in the plow instructions. Ain't really no instructions anyways, but cut that notch out, welded it back in. Perfect. Looking good. Looking good. Now I just gotta do the other side and everything start coming back together. Alright, finished fabbing up the shackles, got everything bolted down. Look good both sides. Got to drill a couple holes in the frame. Everything else, all good to go. Next, start wiring. Then mount the plow and get everything going. Just about to hook up the headlight harnesses, finding where the blinker is and everything else. Got the headlights out, got the grill off. Looks like a fucking semi. Alright, fast forward a few minutes. Got everything mounted up. Looks good. Plow works, lights, everything, but the drop shackles, even though we got the bigger ones for the lift kit, I don't think it compensates for the rims and tires. So when you go to V, see that sunlight? Well, light, it's not on the ground, and then when you put it in the back V, that middle comes up real high, which is not what you're looking for in a plow. So another company makes them. We'll pick them up and see how that works. These are the other ones, the stock ones. You can tell they're a lot smaller, but we thought the big ones would do it, but we need bigger. All right.